Hello, my name is Stormy Fitch, and I am currently a sophomore student at PFW. My major is elementary education. This is my service dog, Zeppelin. He is a golden doodle, and he's named after Led Zeppelin because it's one of my favorite bands. This is us downtown, heading to Promenade. Sky looks beautiful, and these benches are super nice. This is Zeppelin posing. He loves to take photos, and is very good at them because he's so cute. He also loves to nap because he has busy days, being with me all the time, so taking those naps are crucial to his life. Here's him napping again after a long training session, and a long walk at Promenade Park. That's my favorite park in Fort Wayne. And this is my boyfriend, Jake. He goes to Indiana Tech, and he wrestles. He's my best friend, and we spend every single day together. Here's us again. This is over the summer. We went to Cedar Point. And it was definitely one of my favorites, just because I love roller coasters. This is my family. So I have a sister that is 9, a brother that is 16, and this is the night before I left for college, so right before my freshman year. That's my dad, and that's my mom. So yeah, this is me, but not all of me, obviously. I mean, you can only fit so much in these videos, but I plan on doing after I graduate. I want to move back closer to home. I'm originally from Middletown, Indiana, and Fort Wayne is just too big of a city for me, so I want to go back to being in a smaller school system. I want to teach probably around 3rd grade, 3rd to 5th, but I don't know. We'll just see what happens. I currently work at a preschool, and I love this preschoolers, but sometimes they can just be a lot to handle, so definitely think that 3rd grade or older is for me. So yeah, this is me, Stormy, but not all of me.